Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix Samsung Smart TV sound problems. I'll be going over the easiest fix that you can try out, and then I'll give you some additional things that you can try as well if the easiest fix doesn't work for you. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. This is a remote for a Samsung TV. I don't have a Samsung TV in front of me because I'm in my van, but I did bring this remote to use for demonstration purposes. So the easiest fix by far is going to be to reset the sound settings. Now, how do you do that? Well, on most Samsung TVs, it's going to go like this. Yours might be slightly different, but on most of them, it's going to go like this. You want to go into the settings, okay? When you're in the settings menu, you're going to go to the sound option. So you're now looking at the sound settings. From the sound option, you're going to go to expert settings. And from the expert settings menu, you're going to go to reset sound. And you're going to hit reset sound. And that should hopefully clear up the problem. It's like the most effective thing that you can try out. The easiest fix. Hopefully it works. If not, if that doesn't work, and that has a good chance of working, but if that doesn't work, then what you can do is you can look for a microphone button on your remote. This remote, I believe, does not have a microphone button, but if your remote has a microphone button, I've read many places that you can hold that microphone button down for a few seconds and it should reset. It should reset that sound problem and it should get the sound to start working again in certain situations. That might work. If not, you can unplug the TV, leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds and plug it back in. That might work. If not, you can and you should make sure that it's not muted. Oftentimes people think that there's a volume problem or a sound problem, but in reality, they've just hit the mute button. So make sure it's not muted. Now, on many TVs, when it is muted, you're going to see a mute button, a mute icon, going across the screen somewhere, which is very good and it's helpful because then it allows you to know that it's muted. But what you can do is just hit the mute button a couple times on your remote and put the volume up and just see if that fixes the sound problem. And then you'll know it's not muted. And last but not least, what you can do, this is a slim chance of working, but I've read some places that it has helped certain people. You can update the TV software. So your TV, if it's a modern TV, it's going to have a software. You can update the software most likely from the TV itself. So go figure out how to update the software and try updating it. Hopefully that helps you out. And that's truly it. Hopefully you can fix your Samsung TV sound problems using hopefully the easiest method that I explained about resetting the sound settings. If not, hopefully one of the other methods works for you. And that's truly it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.